Welcome to my channel. This is the review of the Tower of God or Kaminoto. Now let's go. Okay, one more thing, please subscribe to my channel because I only have 9 subscribers. Tower of God is an adventure anime with a hint of shonen, and it is the Japanese adaptation of a Korean manga which has a lot of chapters. So it is highly compressed. Basically, the main story starts with our main character Bam, who is called in Japanese adaptation Yoru, and a girl known as Rachel, as they call it Rahel. Once Rachel helped Yoru, and now Yoru is super obsessed with her. And what happens now is she leaves him. Why? Just listen this. Listen. This story is about a tower. Okay, no, not tower. This story takes place inside a tower. There is no outside. They don't even have sky. They don't have sky or stars or anything there. They just have towers. There are 3 towers. One is where the basic people, the normal people live. Second is where the competitions to reach the top of the tower are held. Third is where the participants live and the housing facilities. Okay. Now, what happens when you reach the tower? The top floor of the tower. The legend says that when you reach the top of the tower, you can demand anything and the desire is fulfilled. Now, the first person to reach the top of the tower was known as Jahad, and now he is the king of all the towers, known as King Jahad. Now Rachel wanted to see the stars, the real sky. She wanted to see the night sky. So she left Yoru and she went to become a participant to reach the top of the tower. The King Jahad also elects the princesses of Jahad, a lot of over 500 princesses from different minorities, groups and tribes. For example, Anak Jahad. He also grants them special powers in return. The women, the princess of Jahad, they cannot have sex nor they can bear a child. What happens to the princess who bears a child? Yeah. Now the question is, who can participate in the quest to reach the top of the tower? Now there are 2 types of people, regulars and irregulars. There is a caretaker of the tower known as Hyden selects people from different various areas and tells them you can participate here and you can reach the top of the tower, you can get what you desire. And those are known as regulars. Now there's a second type of people, that are the irregulars, who reach the 2 doors of the towers by themselves and they are considered super strong. Yoru was an irregular. We don't know. This anime has a lot of mysteries that are yet to be revealed. Okay, like we are only 10 episodes in, but we know that it has great potential. Yoru is an irregular because he happened to be at the door of the tower by himself and he was given a test. I won't give the spoilers, okay? I will only tell about what happened in the first episode. During the test to reach the top of the tower, he meets Khun Agro. Now he is like the main side character who supports him, and they form a team and they give tests to reach the top. The people who have already reached the top of the towers are known as rankers, who also administer those tests. So this group of people are supposed to give the test under the ranker or administrator. In this anime, we can see that every character has a backstory. You can just tell them by how they behave or how they look. We can tell what kind of backstory they have. Most of them have bad backstories. In terms of animation, it is very very similar to Fire Force, but just a little baby step below it. What I love the most about this anime is the sound, not just the opening. Well, of course, the opening is very good too, it is fantastic. But I was not talking about just the opening, I was also talking about the in-anime sounds and effects and music. The in-anime music is absolutely fantastic. Okay, that's a lot of adjectives. The in-anime music is so beautiful. You just know what kind of scene is about to come when that background music hits you and transitions into your ears. Now, let's talk about the major problem of the anime. It is the pace of the anime. Yes, you heard me right. The Tower of God is the adaptation of a lot of manga chapters or manhwa, whatever, because it's Korean. It is actually impossible to thoroughly connect with the characters with such short amount of episodes. It is difficult to comprise so many chapters into one episode, like 25 chapters into one episode. So, according to me, they should have gone with the Black Clover type of episode sequences, where they just like extend to 50 episode seasons, right? By what they are doing right now, I think they are kind of wasting the potential of the anime. But we don't know. They could just they could transition into that type of anime sequences too. We don't know. They could just increase their episode from 24 to 50 or 60, but probably it will not. I mean, I understand there are production budgets too, but I hope they're doing the best they can. Now here's the juicy part. Okay, many people think it is the total rip-off of Hunter x Hunter, but according to me, it is kind of inspired by it because I did not see a lot of similarities, but the similarities which I saw was first similarity, Khun and Killua. Yes, both are strong, white hair, analytical, smart as brats with a lot of family problems. Light similarity between Yoru and Gon. Both are simple-minded, honest, and trusting characters with a lot of potential in them. A strong similarity between Anak Zahad and Kurapika because both are silent type of characters, powerful, and a thirst for revenge due to past grudges. Yes. Not to mention the tests in the towers are like the Hunter exam. Well, they are not similar. Their concepts are different too, but the vibe we get from Hunter exam and Tower exam is kind of. Damn, I miss Hunter x Hunter so much. I miss Hisoka. Do you miss Hunter x Hunter? Drop a like if you do. All we can do now is playing Togashi.
大地を踏みしめて君は目覚めてゆく
To me, I really love the anime. You know, I loved Bam 2, I loved Khon 2. There are only currently 10 episodes, but those are quite good episodes. I recommend you to and go and watch and keep up with it. Bye. Just subscribe and like and please.